Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless glue gun options. Whether you are working on creative craft projects, quick household repairs, or detailed DIY builds, having the right cordless glue gun can make your work faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable. We have carefully selected top-performing cordless glue guns that combine strong bonding power, quick heat-up times, reliable battery performance, and user-friendly safety features. Throughout this video, we will break down what makes each model stand out, including heating efficiency, ease of use, portability, and overall performance, so you can easily decide which one fits your needs best. Make sure to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's jump right in. The first on the list is the Hilda Electric Hot Melt Glue Gun. This cordless glue gun is designed for users who want simplicity, consistency, and everyday reliability. Its biggest highlights include fast heat-up performance, cordless freedom, and smooth glue flow control. Once powered on, it reaches working temperature quickly, allowing you to start projects without long delays. The glue melts evenly and flows smoothly, which helps reduce clogs and messy drips during use. This makes it a solid choice for crafts, decorations, and light repair tasks. Comfort is another strong point of the Hilda glue gun. The ergonomic handle fits naturally in the hand, making it comfortable to use for longer crafting sessions. The balanced weight distribution gives you better control, especially when working on smaller or more detailed items. The stable stand allows you to safely place the gun down between applications without worrying about tipping. Overall, this glue gun delivers dependable performance in a compact, easy-to-use cordless design, making it a great option for hobbyists and casual DIY users. Next up is the Monvict upgraded 100W cordless glue gun. This model is built for users who need extra power and faster performance. It stands out with high 100-watt heating power, rapid glue melting, and strong adhesive bonding. The powerful heating system allows the glue gun to reach and maintain optimal temperature quickly, even during continuous use. This makes it well-suited for heavier materials such as wood, plastic, leather, and thicker fabrics. The Monvict glue gun also focuses heavily on durability and safety. Its heat-resistant nozzle helps minimize the risk of burns, while the sturdy outer casing feels solid and well-built. The cordless battery supports extended working time, so you can complete larger projects without frequent interruptions. The trigger mechanism is responsive, giving you precise control over glue output. Overall, this model is an excellent choice for serious DIY enthusiasts who want speed, strength, and consistent performance in a cordless glue gun. Next, we have the Melif cordless glue gun. This glue gun is known for its smart engineering and clean performance, featuring quick heat-up time, leak-resistant nozzle design, and convenient cordless operation. It heats up rapidly, which is perfect when you want to start working right away. The leak-resistant nozzle helps keep your workspace clean by reducing unwanted glue drips, making it ideal for precision-based projects. In use, the Melif glue gun feels well-balanced and easy to maneuver. It provides steady glue output, allowing you to work smoothly without sudden bursts or interruptions. This model is especially appealing for users who value efficiency and neat results, whether they are crafting, repairing, or assembling items. Overall, the Melif glue gun offers a great balance of performance, control, and convenience, making it a dependable option for regular use. Next on the list is the ZGM-ZYM 3.6V lithium-ion cordless hot glue gun. This compact and lightweight glue gun is designed for light-duty tasks, with lightweight portability, energy-efficient heating, and easy one-hand operation as its key strengths. It heats up quickly for its size and is ideal for quick fixes, school projects, and simple crafts. Its small form factor makes it easy to store and carry, even in tight spaces. Despite its compact design, the ZGM-ZYM glue gun delivers reliable performance for everyday materials like paper, fabric, and lightweight plastics. Overall, this glue gun is a great pick for users who want something simple, portable, and easy to handle without the need for heavy-duty power. The last one on our list is the Yofidra 260 degrees cordless electric hot glue gun. This model is designed for users who want versatility and precision, featuring high-temperature performance, long-lasting cordless operation, and enhanced safety protection. The high-temperature capability allows it to work effectively on a wide range of materials, from delicate craft items to tougher DIY repairs. The temperature stability ensures strong, consistent bonds without overheating. The Yofidra glue gun also shines in terms of comfort and control. Its ergonomic grip provides steady handling, while the precision nozzle allows accurate glue placement for detailed work. Overall, this glue gun is a premium cordless option that delivers power, control, and peace of mind for both creative and practical projects. So, that wraps up our picks for the best cordless glue guns available right now. Each of these models offers unique strengths, whether you prioritize power, portability, precision, or ease of use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful reviews and buying guides. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting.